Are you fit? How to become fit? We have been come across this kind of question regarding physical fitness many times. I will post you another question. Most probably you haven't come across. How will you define fitness? Even Google got confused and answered like how do you answer for a 2 mark question in exam. So definitely there is a need to define this. Okay, if you have to point out one among these two guys as fit, whom will you say? What question is this? That Musli guy for sure, right? Then what if I point out this guy as fit? It's not that simple because fitness can never be easily visible. We can't just identify its features like a newly purchased gadget because human body wasn't made but evolved through the stack of adaptation it come through millions of years. Our weekend reports will not convey the story. This world nourished with the first life 3.7 billion years ago. For some reason it wanted more liveliness. Our body evolved as a messenger which carries the information. It started as single, then multiplied, mutated, diversified, and became complicated. Now it achieved that up to a suffocating level through generations after generations of accumulated gene pool. So the primary role of life is to transfer the gene, the database of life. To do that, each and every species compete and cooperate with other species and members. Survival and reproduction. They need energy for this process, which has to be consumed and stored. To get the energy, they need physical strength and skill. In other words, wild form of fitness. All these are interrelated. An envelope with good condition carried the message well, so the strongest has the more possibility to survive and transfer its gene. The transferred gene creates strong progenies. Nobody questioned this protocol for billions of years. Eventually, a smart but disobedient species evolved with weak muscles and strong brain changed the formula. It finished the task without using much muscles and became smarter and smarter. And now it's one of the most successful species ever lived in the world at finishing its task. But the non-used tool started to get rust. Again human being trying to replenish the old tool with its smartness. Okay, let's define this physical fitness for humans. It can be the capacity to complete an action or task with an accuracy in effort, space, timing which the situation demands. Unfortunately, we don't have any major carryover now to be fit like how other species do. So our applications settle with the characteristic itself. To do that, we need to move efficiently, then we will be considered as fit for our environment. Now come back to these guys and analyze their environment. This guy is waking up at morning 9 a.m., taking few steps, finishing morning routine, sitting on western water closet to avoid any effort to squat down, using hot shower, wearing tight fit look suit to prevent any extravagant range of motion, taking few steps to have the energy dense breakfast, taking car, nobody likes a sweaty guy, so compulsory he has to take the elevator for the office in second floor, getting a comfortable chair, maximum moving for his lunch break, coffee break to take the coffee from the table to see the gal working next to his table, rest of the time being productive by resting on his chair, returning home spending time in comfortable cushioning, Netflix movie or on the balanced productivity. Then why I said this kind of species is fit? Because he is completely fit for his environment. Now take this guy. Don't worry, I'm not going to list out his routine because he has the same. But he is getting off bed little earlier in order to hit the gym on the way. What about him? Definitely he is fit for gym. By the time if you got my point, this is it. Fitness is something relative to the environment. It's demand for your action and your willingness to respond that. Okay, then so far all are going fine, right? Everybody is fit for their environment, routine and necessity. Then what's the problem? What makes us still talking about it? This is where nature pulls us back. If you are sitting for an entire day with tight hips, going out of breath to move gas cylinder from doorstep to kitchen, using elevators with knee pain, getting entertainment in sofas and also getting weekend drunk as combo, walking on marbles with flat feet, I can squat 200 kg. Can you run if a dog chase? I have 18-inch bicep. Will it cooperate when you scratch your back? Means we are not fulfilling our movement efficiently. We are compromising. But why? Why we couldn't adapt for the current environment? It's a debate between to be fit for what we made for and what we made. Then why do we care about that? Do we have anything to do about that? Will our smartness help us on this? Of course, human body is a flame need to be scorched along with nature. But now it is in our own hand. It has become questionable and also has given the freedom to exceed its limits and look into that. It needs an approach of science, art, logics, emotions and more understanding. Yeah, it's just a term, but we have to be sure that by coining a term with a blunt meaning, we should not convey the process wrong. Now you might have the question like, should I do exercise or not? If yes, why and how? We will see that in upcoming videos. Subscribe the channel for that. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. That will help me to make more content. Share this video link with any of your fitness freak friends. And if someone asks, are you fit? Ask them fit for what? Thank you for watching till then.